Lot number 131 is a 2010 Toyota Tundra XSP. This one has a 5.7 liter V8 engine. It does not start. I sprayed starting fluid directly into the fuel intake and it still made no effort to start. The engine turns over fine. It appears to not be getting any spark. It appears to not have any spark. Even when I sprayed starting fluid directly into the intake, it does not start. I'll hit the key so you can hear it turn over. So that's all it does. It's got 153,876 original miles. This was an unmarked police unit. I believe this was a confiscated unit. Police department used it, and it's been out of service for about 3 years now. Sitting right here in the same spot. I would say bad fuel pump, but again, I sprayed it directly with starting fluid and it does not start. So it's got mechanical issues. Let me close the hood here so you can see the body and the hood. It's a 5.7 liter V8. The body is straight. It's a crew cab. Headlights look dull. The paint looks faded. Has many scratches. The paint is peeling, faded. And again, it's been parked here for a long time. Looks like it has aftermarket alloy wheels. The tires are dry rotted. All 4 tires are dry rotted. It's got a chrome step board, tinted windows. Nice straight body. I see a lot of little scratches, but no major damage so far. Rear bumper's dented. It's got a full-size tow hitch. I see a full-size spare tire. Tailgate does not open, but it may be locked. The paint on the bed is very faded. It feels rough and faded. Doesn't match the cab. Passenger side looks good, nice and straight, nice wheels, great looking truck, but it will need some service. It's been parked a long time. Let's see if the doors are open. Show you the interior. Start with the passenger door. Passenger door panel looks good. The dashboard is not cracked. It's very dirty, it's dull, and maybe faded. It's got nice leather seats. It's an XSP model. The driver's seat is very torn. The passenger seat shows wear. It's got a lot of little cracks in the leather, but it's good looking leather. Leather seats. Carpet looks good on the passenger side. Headliner looks good. Dashboard's not cracked. Here is the rear passenger side door. Tinted windows are peeling. Leather seats have many scratches. It shows plenty of wear. It was an unmarked unit. All emergency equipment has been removed. Let's look at the driver's side. Looks good. This interior should clean up well. Here's the driver's side. Yeah, even the carpet just shows normal wear. The seats are really rough. But the rest of the interior looks like it should clean up well. Center console armrest has a small tear right there in the corner. But for the most part, it all looks good. So there it is, mechanic special. Miles are not bad, 150,000 miles. Body's nice and straight. It's lot number 131. It's a 2010 Toyota Tundra. Mechanical conditions are unknown. Good luck.